State your name.
Steven's girlfriend.
So my girlfriend Crystal wants to start working out and getting into the gym and asked me to train her. Now, you might be thinking right now, Steven, what do you even know about girl workouts anyways? Don't you got a pancake butt? Well, I don't mean to brag or anything, guys, but I'm now a certified personal trainer. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. First client vibes, you dig? Anyways, I realized that there are probably a lot of girls out there in her same position as well. You're new to the gym, you want to start working out, but don't know the proper workouts you should be doing and such, so why not make an entire video for you girls out there? Or really any beginner in the gym. Guys can benefit from this as well. Now, a big misconception for girls is that they're scared to build any sort of muscle because they'll think they'll get big and massive and bulky, but that's actually nowhere near the case, honestly. While girls can build muscle just as easily as guys can, based on genetic material and makeup, girls won't build big, huge muscles compared to guys, even when lifting heavy. I'm sorry, it won't happen. You'll most likely just end up getting toned and fit and strong, so don't worry, okay? So for this week's video, I'm gonna take Crystal through an entire full body workout, glutes being our main focus here because she wants to target them. So I sat down with her and we wrote down our entire working sets and exercises, calculated her maintenance calories, and created her an entire plant-based meal plan that will help her build muscle and lose fat throughout a 10-week period. And by the following day, we were ready to begin the transformation. Starting with step 1, the look. The first step is the easiest, and although looks don't really matter in the gym, it can be used as motivation for a lot of people, especially beginners. For Crystal, she already had breathable workout clothes that she bought from Shein, so we threw her on a sports bra, a dry fit shirt, and shorts perfect for a workout. Since we'll also be doing squats, I also recommend some sort of flat sole shoe. So for Crystal, we threw her on some old Converse she had and finished off with a hair tie. Now we looked the part and we're ready for part 2, the pre-workout phase. This step is crucial for overall gym performance. Quick digesting carbs such as these are your friend before any workout because it'll fuel you for energy needed for your workout. So I had her eat a banana because it's loaded with natural sugars and fast digesting carbs that'll get her going more efficiently. Also, it's vegan, so it's a plus, you know? Now, the classic gym bro would dry scoop their pre, and we tried that, and Crystal wasn't a fan. So we added some pre-workout into our cup with some creatine monohydrate, shook it up, and chugged that on our way to the gym. When we got to the gym, we spent the first 10 minutes doing dynamic stretches, meaning movement-based work. I suggest buying a resistance band such as these to warm up with, especially when trying to grow your dump truck. You can buy one on Amazon, the link will be down in the description of this video. On to part 3, the workout. Before I begin, there are a few things every beginner should know about sets and reps, and I'm only gonna say this once, so be ready, okay? Reps, short for repetitions, are the actions of one complete exercise. Basically, how many times you'll be doing the exercise consecutively without any rest. And sets are how many reps you'll do in a row between periods of rest. So think of sets as groups and reps within the group, so to say. So for our first exercise, we started with 4 sets of 12 on the barbell squat, since it will be our main compound movement and we'll use the majority of our energy here. Now, for the sake of your time, I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to do all these exercises. Just Google it, honestly, and it should all make sense. Okay. Next, we got 4 sets of 12 on the lat pull down. No, do it right. This exercise will work more on your back and lats than anything else. However, be ready for a little bicep pump here because they'll be working as well. Moving on to 4 sets of 12 with glute banded sidewalk supersetted with hip thrusts. A superset basically means performing back-to-back exercises with no rest in between. And call it lazy or whatever, but setting up the actual barbell is a bit complicated, especially for beginners, so gym hack, use the quad extension machine instead. It'll save you a lot more time that way.
What's wrong?
It's tired.
For shoulders, we hit 3 sets of 10 on the Smith machine shoulder press. This compound movement will target your shoulders and maintain constant tension throughout the exercise. After that, we had another superset, this time with arms. 4 sets of 15 on tricep extensions, supersetted with bicep curls. Will have your arms blasted, I promise you. And as a finisher, we hit 4 sets of hamstring curls, performed till failure. This means going until you die, basically. I recommend bodyweight lunges as well as an alternative finisher, but you can do whatever you want. Just get it burning, get it going.
Hey.
We finished off the workout with 20 minutes of cardio being our cool down. So I had Crystal doing steady state cardio on the treadmill for 20 minutes, incline at 8, speed at 3. Now that we finished the workout, part 4, being my personal favorite, is the post-workout shake. While I wouldn't worry too much on protein timing and all that, but it's best to get in your protein right after your workout to repair and rebuild your muscles, especially after an intense workout. Now, get a scoop of any protein powder you would like, same for milk, add some peanut butter, oats, seeds, and fruit. Blend it and chug every last bit of it, like it's your last meal. Because it might be. Just kidding. And finally, part 5 is consistency. By the end of the day, Crystal was exhausted, but determined to get back up and push even harder tomorrow. Consistency is key when working out, and for beginners, it's way more easier to put on muscle mass right away, so take advantage of that. I mean, Crystal just started working out, and she's already seeing progress, and honestly might outbench me pretty soon. I don't know, we'll see. Getting started with the right plan in action will get you way further than sitting on that couch, bloating your life away. So get up now, and start living your best life today. I'm sorry.